This tour is for the amazing 17225 North 6th Place in Town Square, gated community on 7th Street, just north of Bell Road. Very secure, stable neighborhood. Everyone has their own two-car garage. It's private streets maintained by the HOA. Let's go inside. The first thing you notice when you walk in here is these amazing vaulted ceilings, floor-to-ceiling red brick fireplace, custom wood white shutters throughout, and we have upgraded argon-filled dual pane energy efficient windows that have been installed. The air conditioner is fairly new, as well as the water heater and several other things inside. The kitchen has Corian countertops, built-in microwave, cooktop stove, a great pantry right here, lots of cabinets, plenty of room for everything. And again, the vaults gives you a nice sense of space. Solar tube, solar lighting. Back in here, the second bedroom being used as an office right now. Again, the white shutters throughout the house, custom. They've done some extensive remodeling of these bathrooms. You notice the beautiful tile on the surround, lighting around this large jacuzzi tub. And here we have a HealthMate sauna. Just right for two people, cozy. Pergo flooring. Carpet's a couple years old, in very good shape. This is the master. Again, we got the white wood shutters, ceiling fans in every room. Little vanity area next to the sink and the master. Combination tub and shower in here. This is a nice storage area right off the master and between the garage and the backyard. Oversized two-car garage with some nice built-in cabinetry. The pull-down ladder for attic access and storage up there as well. Washer and dryer unit, more cabinets. Central vac system That's what Darlene says she's going to miss the most about this house. It has a soft water loop throughout the home. All you need to do is install a unit if wanted. And again, we're at 17225 North 6th Place, Phoenix, Arizona. Come see it.